Take a look, $985,000 sitting in my Phantom wallet. This didn't come from trading, it came from launching meme coins over and over. Stick around because I'm breaking down the exact process that made it happen. Are you tired of watching your trades flop while other people print thousands with meme coins? I've been there, chasing charts, buying tops, and catching rugs. Then I stopped trading and I started launching. And the reason why I started launching meme coins is because by launching coins you have nothing to lose. You are the dev in control. You control your entry and your profits. But if you're still trading meme coins, you could lose all your money at any potential moment. Now I'm flipping memes into real money, and in this video I'll show you exactly how I did it. Let's get it. But before we get started, I just want to say that this video is purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. This video does not constitute financial advice. Please don't copy me. Now, the first step to launching coins is to actually make it, right? So I would head over to create tokens.fun, and here is where you will launch your coin. The reason why thousands of people launch your coins here is because you don't need any coding skills required, and it's the only legit platform on YouTube. But the key thing that makes this website so effective and so profitable is that all the coins are launched on the Raydium DEX, which means that your coins will reach way more potential buyers and a higher market cap. Why? Because by launching on the Raydium DEX, your coins gets instantly graduated, which means that you will get way more visibility and you will skip that bonding curve. Because if you guys don't know, on Pump.Fun, your coin has to reach a $90,000 market cap for it to bond directly and migrate to Raydium, right? But by going through create tokens.fun, you're skipping all that time wasted and you're reaching thousands of eyeballs. So please make sure to launch here because you will maximize all the profits of every single launch. Now, you have two different ways to make a meme coin. The first option is to actually make it from scratch. All you would have to do is find a viral meme online or a viral tweet, right, on Twitter. And then basically you would put a custom name, custom symbol, then the custom logo, right? And then you would just continue with the other steps to simply just launch the coin. And the second way to make a coin is actually the most profitable one and the most consistent one. And it's by copying trending coins. Basically, all we do is we steal coins that are working on Pump.Fun and we list them back up on the Raydium DEX by copying it here, and we print thousands of dollars because all these coins, they all have a good narrative. They're all proven to attract buyers. So it's basically just a copycat strategy. But anyways, I'm gonna stop yapping and let's launch a coin and make some money. So, okay, the print coin right here just caught my attention. Why? It has a last buy 7 seconds ago and a $40,000 market cap and 136 replies, which caught my attention. So simply just click on create coin. Your Phantom is gonna pop up. A warning is gonna pop up also. So just proceed anyway. Confirm, I understand, confirm. Everybody is gonna get that warning. Okay, it's completely normal. Boom. And as you can see, it's minted on the blockchain. And yeah, it's now just copy here. And now it's time to create the liquidity pool. So here is pretty simple. We're basically just going to make the Raydium liquidity pool and make the coin tradable on the blockchain. So here, make sure your coin is selected alongside your balance. It should be already auto selected. For the amount token A, just right under it, click on 90%. That'll drop 900 million tokens into the pool. And just right under that, the amount token B, this is your first buy inside your own coin. You are the first buyer, so you are not losing this money. I would recommend to put 0.4 SOL. Obviously, the minimum is 0.3 and the maximum is 1 SOL. But yeah, I'm putting 0.4 because that's what I usually do. Make sure you have enough in your balance and then click create pool. Your Phantom should pop up. Then click confirm. After that, simply just refresh. And then if you scroll down, boom, the liquidity pool is created and it's on the blockchain, which means that the coin is fully live and we're up $48 USD. Now, if you want to check your profits, simply just click on refresh right here. And boom, we're up 105 USD. And yeah, so the coin is exponential. It is getting traction. Now click on view on photon to see the chart. And boom, now the coin is live. As you guys can see, it's at a 11k market cap. Let me go see the transactions real quick. Okay, now the coin is kind of like dead. It's not really dead. It's at a 8.5k market cap. It peaked at 11k. It's getting a lot of sales. But guys, as meme coin traders, we have to pay attention at the long-term investment. As you guys can see, it's at a 7k market cap, but I really think this coin could rip at like at least 20k because on Pump.Fun it went to like 40k, right? Okay, now it's coming in. We're getting Bison. Okay, the liquidity is at 11k. The volume's at 10k. Okay, to check your profits, come back to createtokens.fun. After that, simply click on the refresh button. And boom, we're up $1.4 thousand right now by this time with a 6.6k market cap. So only imagine when it was at like 11k, we were up like 3 bands. So 1.4 bands at the moment. It's kind of good. Oh, it's going back up. Let's go. It's going. Oh my god, we're getting so many Bison. Okay, I think we're up at like $2,000 now. I'm gonna give this coin around 10 minutes and we will be right back to see where it's at. Okay guys, I'm back. It's been like around 25 minutes and now the coin, it's looking at a 14k market cap. When I was gone, it peaked at $30,000, but it sold to 22,000, so it went a bit higher. I could have been there to cash out and record, but yeah, I wasn't there. Let me go see the transactions. Yeah, it's kind of dead. The last transaction was like a minute ago. Yeah, it's really dead. Now it does have a $17,000. Oh, it went to 15,000. But yeah, it does have a $17,000 liquidity and like almost 600 transactions, which is kind of good, and 220 makers. So I think it's time to remove some liquidity. So come back to createtokens.fun, and before we're going to refresh the page to see how much we're at. Okay, we're at $2,432, so we went up around $1,000, which is not bad. Okay, for a $15,000 market cap, that's kind of a good ratio. Okay, so to remove the liquidity, click on the minus button, and here you can choose how much percentage you want to remove. If you do 100%, you are going to receive $2,432 on the dot in your wallet directly here. Now we're going to remove around 30%. Because yes, I still believe in the coin a bit. I genuinely think it could go to like 50,000, 100,000 tomorrow, okay? Even though I copied the coin. Yeah. Now, okay, actually I'm gonna do 32%. Okay, boom. Now, click remove liquidity. Your phantom should pop up. And as you guys can see here, guys, we're going to receive so basically on the dot in our wallet, which is like 32%. And now it's time to remove the liquidity, so click on confirm. And boom, that's exactly how you remove 32% of the liquidity. And just for proof, okay, just to make sure I'm not bullshitting, if I open my Phantom wallet, boom, Forso is in my wallet, $600 on the dot. And if you want to remove the rest, just click on the minus button. If you want to win one Solana like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and yeah, bye.